If you are not familiar with what Ibotta is, it is a rebate app that allows you to earn extra money on items that you purchase in store. I'm going to put a link below in Ibotta 101. It's a tutorial that I did with pictures and how-tos, and it'll walk you through how to download Ibotta and how to do your first deal on Ibotta. I'm going to put that link below. This is just an in-store tutorial I did on how to check if the Ibotta rebate is a match. If you are not familiar with how to check an Ibotta offer, I'm going to show you how real quick. If you are in the Ibotta app, just click on the offer to make it larger. Down here it will give you a description, but always check the product barcode down here. Click on it and then scan the item that you think is a match, and it will tell you if the offer is a match or not. So that one is a match. Let's scan this one just to see. Sure. Go ahead. So that one is not a match. So that is how you check. Always do that before you purchase the item.